Welcome to A&E's MMM training video for Plant 20. Plant 20 is responsible for polyester production. MMM stands for mislabel, mispack, and miscode. Mislabel means the product or material is correct, but the label used to identify the pallet, tube, bobbin, or unit is incorrect. Mispack means the label used to identify the unit is correct, but the product or material inside is incorrect. Miscode means that the label used has incorrect information on it. Fancy cords. All materials entering the hygiene department is sanitary and specially treated. If any outside yarns or fibers are mixed in, the product will be contaminated and not safe for the customer. The yarn is packaged on gray tubes. The sliver used for the slubs is blue. Tube colors are used to identify which machine processed the package. Yarns from the same machine should be wound together. Yarns from two different machines should not be wound together, even if they are the same material. Fancy cords identification. Each frame has its own assigned color. Machine 1 is yellow, Machine 2 is brown, Machine 3 is blue, and Machine 4 is pink. All fancy cords that use yellow tubes indicate they are coming from line 1. Then they are wound and placed on the machine line 1 table as finished packages. All fancy cords that use the brown tubes indicate they are coming from line number 2. Then they are wound and placed on the machine line number 2 table as finished packages. All fancy cords that use the blue tubes indicate that they are coming from line 3. Then they are wound and placed on the machine line 3 table as finished packages. All fancy cords that use pink tubes are indicating that they are coming from line number 4. Then they are wound and placed on the machine line 4 table as finished packages. Each package is labeled with the number end that processed it. The machine it was processed on can be identified by the tube color. It is important to label and group the fancy cords with the same machine to prevent mixing, mislabeling, miscoding, and mispackaging in future processes. Could you identify which end processed this package? The answer is end number 50, machine number 4.